Tao, where are you coming from? I thought you were playing in the garden. You're coming from Mrs. Nyati's house. Why did you go to Mrs. Nyati's house? You went with Romeo. You wanted to see... But Tao, you didn't ask Gogo. You didn't ask Gogo. Why did you go there without telling Gogo? No, you must tell Gogo. Tao, if Romeo wants water, he can get water here. He doesn't need... You don't need to go. He can go by himself. You don't need to go with him to Mrs. Nyati's house. Okay? What are you eating? Who gave you the crisps? Mrs. Nyati gave you crisps? Were they open already? Or is it a new packet of crisps? Did she open it or you opened it yourself? Because Tawa, I know sometimes you need help. Did you open it yourself? She didn't open it. You opened it. Okay, good. Did she give you any food? Any cooked food? No? Okay. She didn't give you a drink? Good, but okay, you go and play now in the garden. But don't go there without telling me, okay, Tao? Oh.